floodwaters kept rising, but this little dog never gave up, until rescuers finally reached him, cold, scared, and alone. The stranded dog was carried to safety through the deadly flood. In the middle of the storm, one rescue changed everything for this helpless dog. The puppy cried for help as floodwater surrounded him, until caring hands saved his life. After surviving the flood, the exhausted dog finally found warmth and safety inside the shelter. Rescuers refused to leave any animal behind during the devastating flood. From
All right, buddy, you're
disaster to
safe now.
hope, this rescued dog
We'll get the
was
others
finally
loaded up
given
next.
a second chance. The storm destroyed homes, but kindness saved lives. Please subscribe to save this pets from disaster.